Welcome to Rust Traits. In this lesson, you will learn how traits define shared behavior across different types. Traits are similar to interfaces in other languages, but more powerful. They let you specify what methods a type must implement. Let's explore how to define traits, implement them, and use default implementations. A trait defines functionality that a type can have. Think of it as a contract that types agree to fulfill. We define a summary trait with a summarize method. Any type implementing this trait must provide the method. Now we implement the summary trait for our article struct using impl summary for article syntax. In main, we create an article and call the summarize method. The trait method works as defined. Multiple types can implement the same trait. Each provides its own implementation of the trait methods. We define a speak trait. Both dog and cat structs will implement this trait differently. Dog returns woof, while cat returns meow. Same trait, different implementations based on the type. When we call speak on each animal, the correct implementation is called. This is polymorphism through traits. Traits can provide default implementations. Types can use the default or override it with their own. We define a greet trait with a default greet method that returns hello. Types can choose to use or override this. Formal overrides the default with good day. Casual uses an empty impl block to keep the default. Formal uses its custom greeting, while casual uses the default. This reduces code duplication. Excellent work! You have learned about Rust traits. You now understand how to define traits, implement them on different types, and use default implementations. Traits are fundamental to Rust and enable powerful abstractions.